What is your best social media tip for a small business first starting out? Know your product, know your differentiation from the market, make a SWOT analysis of everything. Like, really know before diving deep into advertising, diving deep into social media. Really know what you want to be, how you want your voice to be heard, how you want to speak. Know who you are.
First, know what problem you're solving. The worst thing you can do is create something and no one wants it at all. Because ultimately, you're providing value to an end consumer. Ideally, know what problem you're solving and know who your target audience is. And if you don't know who that is, I would definitely survey whatever that problem you're trying to fix. Should give you kind of an idea of who you should try to target. If you, for example, like one great place to start is if you have a particular problem that you like solving for yourself, chances are there's going to be other people that would like this same problem to be solved for them. The question is like, who's your ideal person to target? So that's where surveying, kind of doing market research would help. That way you can see how your service, your way of problem solving can best fit the consumer. That way, and you can definitely hone in on your message. For something that I was doing not too long ago, which was a formation app. If you guys don't know what that is, formations are just simple, like where dancers stand in the stage so they can know where they are at all times. That was a problem that I personally wanted fixed, and I hated doing formations because I felt like it was too time consuming. So I was trying to develop this app. Didn't really go anywhere. I put it in the back burner, but what I did once I realized this is a problem that I wanted to solve, I did a lot of surveying and research to help to find the themes of who this best fits for, whether it's dancers, cheerleaders, a marching band, how much they would pay, what's their primary problem with it, and then from there kind of I aimed to find a theme of what people were primarily struggling with, so I can use that in the messaging when it came to the campaign when I pushed it. So that's it. Figure out the problem you're solving first, then define your target audience.